Ever pondered on making your garden both a feast for the eyes and the taste buds? Welcome to the world of edible landscaping, a harmonious blend of beauty and functionality. This innovative concept intertwines the charm of ornamental plants with the practicality of edible ones like vegetables, fruits, and herbs. The result? A captivating garden that not only pleases the eye but fills your plate too. Imagine strolling through your garden, picking fresh produce right off the plant. Doesn't that sound tantalizing? So, how do you go about creating your own edible landscape? The process can be broken down into 3 crucial steps: planning, choosing the right plants, and maintenance. In the planning phase, it's essential to consider the climate and soil type of your garden. This will guide you in choosing plants that will thrive in your specific conditions. Next, the world of edible plants is vast and varied. From fruit trees to vegetable patches, herbs to edible flowers, there's a wide range of options that can be seamlessly integrated with existing ornamental plants. This combination will not only provide visual appeal, but also an abundance of fresh produce right at your doorstep. Finally, regular maintenance is the key to a healthy and attractive edible landscape. This includes pruning, watering, and pest control, all aimed at keeping your garden in top shape. With careful planning, the right choice of plants, and regular care, you can transform your garden into a gastronomic paradise. Intrigued by the idea of marrying beauty with functionality in your garden? Well, there's no better time than now to dive into the world of edible landscaping. Imagine the joy of seeing your garden flourish with beautiful, edible plants. It's not just about aesthetics, but also about the satisfaction of homegrown produce. So why wait? Start your edible landscaping journey today and witness the magic unfold in your own backyard. If you found this video helpful, show some love by hitting the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!